Hey everyone, today we're diving into MERCAT, an advanced drone detection system developed by MC2 Technologies. This cutting-edge tech keeps a constant 360-degree watch with a tracking radius of up to 20 kilometers. MERCAT utilizes artificial intelligence to minimize false alarms and can differentiate between friendly and hostile drones using its ID system. It operates across a broad frequency range from 400 MHz to 7,200 MHz, ensuring comprehensive coverage in complex electromagnetic environments. Its primary mission? Real-time 360-degree monitoring to swiftly activate countermeasures like jamming against detected threats. By intercepting drone-to-controller communications and analyzing telemetry data, MERCAT accurately identifies drone types and tracks their movements. It even spots communication protocols via the Direct Remote Identification (DRI) system. Strategic locations like airports and military bases rely on MERCAT for enhanced security, thanks to its long-range detection and rapid deployment capability, set up in under 5 minutes. Weighing 30 kilograms and featuring IP65 protection, it operates smoothly in temperatures from 10 degrees Celsius to plus 50 degrees Celsius. Connectivity options include Ethernet or wireless integration with C2 or PLC systems. Stay tuned to learn more about how MERCAT is shaping the future of drone security.